This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Marcus Phipps. New construction 2022. Located in a desirable neighborhood in West Harlingen. Must-see 3-bedroom 2.5-bath home with an open floor plan and modern design. Kitchen has quartz countertops with overhanging lamps, a pot filler faucet and a pantry. Master bath is a delight, including a custom barn door, double vanity, private commode, and a large walk-in closet with built-ins. Home is already wired for a security system and has been insulated with spray foam insulation, all ready for a new owner. Call us or your realtor today. For more information, review the details below or contact Marcus Phipps at 956-423-5300.